Hey, it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel with a great video. Um, this is actually Google Ad grants. So if you're a small nonprofit or a large one, like most, one of the biggest challenges is fundraising and getting money, maybe even just getting your message out there. And Google provides $10,000 in free advertising per month for qualified nonprofit organizations. This is a free service, but applying does take a little time and you have to follow certain regulations. Finding it is easy. Just go to Google, type Google Ad Grants, and of course, click on the first link. Here's the FAQ. What is a Google Ad Grant? Google Ad Grant connects people with the causes they care about by providing up to 10,000 a month of in-kind search advertising. So this is amazing. Especially if you're a small nonprofit, you actually can have $10,000 in ads to help with your cause, to try to get the word out, get donations, look for people to help. So this has to be for the cause. How does Google Ad Grants work? With a based Google Ad Grants account, it'll show up in searches. Your organizations will appear either independently or in position with other paid ads. These are text based displays for results. Um, I'm not going to go through all these, just the ones I feel are important. We're a small nonprofit. Can we compete with large organizations on Google to get the benefits of the Ad Grants program? Yes. Google Ads rewards relevancy. In fact, small local grantees that use specific location keywords and targets may show up before large organizations. So if you're a small organization, you try to apply for different types of grants and programs. Keep in mind, this is not like other programs that you're going to get turned down because Google grants accept other organizations. My organization is small. Of course, we got accepted. So I believe that you can too. What are the grant requirements? To qualify for Google Ad grants, you must be a legible nonprofit with a high quality website that meets the policies. I should make a video about this. Maybe we'll do that later, but keep in mind that's one thing here. You have to be, yeah, you have to have a cause and you have to be a registered nonprofit, uh, and you have to have a good website. So when you're looking at it, once you're approved, you will have a Google nonprofit product suite that gives you a lot of different benefits, not just the ad grants. They actually have many things. So I recommend applying for your Google ad grants and going for there. And if you're worried about it and you're a small organization, keep in mind they actually, once you get approved, they have self service education for us smaller organizations. They also have professional management if you do need professional, and they have pro bono support. For pro bono support, it says it takes 1 to 3 months to match you with somebody that would help you for free. Some of the paid support accounts, not saying don't go with that, but I had contacted some, and some said they wanted $10,000 a month or 8,000 or 5,000. I said, well, we're a small nonprofit. We had that amount of money, we wouldn't need Google ad grants. So keep that in mind. You're getting 10,000, but they want $10,000 to manage your Google grants. Not saying all agencies are asking that price, but I'm just explaining to you what I heard. So there it is. Google Ad Grants, Google it. If you're a registered nonprofit, church organization trying to do good in the world, check it out because this is free help for your nonprofit organization for fundraising, to get the word out, to help find support and do what you need to build your cause. It's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center and Harmony Senior Housing. The new charity we set up is called harmonyseniorhousing.org. We're creating senior housing, affordable senior housing in the greater Reading area, in the city of Reading, technically. Have a great day, and I hope you take advantage of this.